stand next to him. Oi, he's so friendly. Go.
Conditions really good back then to go climb to Harangi, which is the highest point on Mount Ruapehu.
All of the branches and the leaves are covered in snow.
They are.
Oh,
You excited, Edward? Edward?
Yes.
Are you excited? Ready? Smile.
I think it goes and down there all the way here.
Mm.
Good. And then get the eye.
I have to hold the camera so I can open the packets. So I'll press. So I just want you to hold the kit, don't move it.
It's really cold.
Hopefully that was recording. Right. Don't touch. Okay. Sorry, new phone, new cameraman. We've got everything going for us. Right, last pack is Modern Masters. Let's see what we get. It's Japanese style, so we'll get the rare first.
Goblin.
Artist, Snow-Covered Island, and Seasoned Pyromancer. Firebolt, Alpine Guide, Lonely Sandbar, iKit, Mindrake, Shinobi, Champion, Fountain Vicar, Night Officer, Lava Dart, Excavating, and Theme, and Mirasa Behemoth. Thank you for joining us. Enjoy the rest of the vlog.